Good morning, we're here in Sapa. It's 6:01 a.m. Sleeper train kami. Naglalakad kami papuntang Betraying Cafe and then after magpa-fancy pan kami. Yun yung plan, tas baka Alpine or Cloud Coffee. Chicken fried rice. This is fried beef noodles. Change of plans, guys. So, magmamawana na lang kami today. Tapos baka bukas yung fancy-fancy. Thank you. Thank you. Trans. Thank you. Thank you. Wow.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
We're here at Alpine Coaster. Sasakay na kami. Medyo kinakabahan kami. Our ticket. Pwede nyo tong i-book sa Klook para mas mura at less hassle ang pagpila.
Tabi na ba?
Ha?
Hindi niya tabi na ba?
Please, ganyan.
Con đi đâu?
Only daw.
Con đi đâu?
Nagalitan.
Jangan dong. Supaya lebih terlepas jangan mereka. Paham ya? Jadi itu. Sayang, telepon ini.
Gagi! Ang bilis! Oo. Ang bagal namin kanina. Hindi, okay lang. Masaya naman. Wala na ba yan? Cool down.
Cool down na.
Asin.
Hindi nakatakot.
Ay! Hey! Okay din naman mabilis. Saya. Wala, patapos na.
Tapos na yun?
Ay, oo. Paakit na tayo.
Ay. Sorry, hindi ko na-handle.
Hindi, okay lang. Masaya nga eh.
Kasi nakapag-mobile. Enjoy!
Masaya.
Twice. Ay, picture. This one lang.
Only one?
Oh. She will take another
Yan.
Okay.
This one.
but pay separately. Lang tao.
So guys, so ayun, nag-enjoy kami. 2 beses akong sumakay. Isa sa likod, isa sa harap. So, bumili ako ng photo, souvenir photo for 100. Yung may frame, 130 doon. Yes. Enjoy. Gusto ko pang umulit. Wow.
3 times the charm. Ay, tapos na.
Saya. We're back at hotel and it's 5:30 PM dito. Mag-check-in na kami.
One super train room with the mountain view.
Yeah.
Yes, have a minute email address, here phone number and signature.
Free cinnamon tea. Second floor yung city view. Wow. May bathtub. Ayan, shower, CR. May blower, mirror. Tapos may complimentary snack. And cup noodles. Actually, hindi ko sure kung may bayad ba. Oo nga. Yung CR. May blower, salamin. May pabatag. At kita mo doon, pero meron siyang yung pangbaba. Cabinet. Ito may bathrobe. Kasi ito, pagkakaintindi ko may bayad siya. Ito yung price. I-charge siya after sa room. Kasi ito, lagyan ng mga bagahe. Kasi yan. Bali, ito is mountain view. Yung TV. Ito yung view sa labas. Mountain view yung pinili namin. Tapos yung isa kay Sherry is city view. Yan. Ang ganda. Tapos ito yung train. 8:27 PM. Maglalakad-lakad kami sa labas ng hotel.
Pero good weather siya.
Hotel Pistachio. Kakain kami, maghanap kami saan kakain. Ito yung Sapa Highlands Resort.
Sana lagi na lang gabi.
mag-vlog.
Ay, ano ba yan? Ang pangit ko ngayon, pero sige. Hey guys, we're now here at Vietnam and we're just walking around and we're hungry and we don't have food. So what? Saluhin mo naman!
So
We're looking around and we see a lounge coffee.
Diyan ba tayo?
Pep. Ano ba?
Coffee, wine.
Coffee, wine, cigar.
We're looking for phone.
Ayan, Vietnam, no? Mag-withdraw kayo. Withdraw na lang muna.
Money.
Ito, ididip mo.
Kuha na lang ako.